This is Christopher Lyman with ExpertVillage.com. The next thing we're going to talk about is hard water, and you're going to run into this a lot, especially if you do this full time. But if you're at home, just a homeowner, and your basement windows usually get hard water, anywhere where the sprinklers hit your glass, you're going to get some hard water buildup. So the best thing to take this off, I've heard people using toilet bowl cleaner. This is called Lime Buster. It's a lime and mineral deposit remover. You can get this at any janitorial supply. It works great. I've heard of people using ammonia and other things, but you're going to need something like that. You're also going to need a blade is very helpful. This is a window washing blade. It's an ultra fine, comes to an ultra fine point. It's not going to scratch your glass if used properly, but you want to be careful what kind of blade you're going to take to your glass. And if you're not sure, then ask a professional there at what to use. But you don't want to take just any old blade to a window because you have an opportunity to scratch it. And then steel wool is going to help in the process. Again, ultra-fine steel wool is going to help in the process of getting off that hard water. I want to show you an example of some hard water. And it's here at this window. As you can see, when looking through it, it's almost white, this deposit. Even after washing the window, you still have this white film still left on the window. That's hard water, and we'll be removing that next.